Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will learn about integer types in C++. We use integer type to store integer values, whole numbers, both negative and positive. So I'm going to declare two variables of type int x, and set its value to 200, and our second variable of type int y, and set its value to minus 100. And now I'm going to print the value of x and y. The size of int is usually 4 bytes. X value is some space, and then x, and then some space, and value of y. And also end of line. And we can run our code. And here are the values for x and y. We can also initialize the variable with another variable. It will receive a copy of its value. We still have two separate objects in memory. So I'm going to set the value of a first, int variable a set to 50, and I will have another variable of type int b and set its value of a. So we are setting here the value of a to b. So b is initialized with the value of a. Once we declare a variable, like over here, we can access and manipulate the variable name by its name only without the type name. So we are not using a type over here, for example, int a. We are just using the name of a variable. The type is not required anymore. Integer literals can be decimal, octal, and hexadecimal. Octal literals start with the prefix of 0, and hexadecimal literals begin with the prefix of 0x. Let's see. I will have a variable D or C first, and I will set its value to 10. This is decimal literal, and then I will have another variable D and its value to octal literal. That will be 012. This is also the value 10. Then I will have another variable of type int and z, and its value set to 0x uppercase A. This is hexadecimal literal. I will just write it over here as a comment decimal literal octal literal and now hexadecimal literal. All these variables have been initialized to the value of 10, represented by different integer literals. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel. Awesome Code. Keep supporting me and thank you for watching.